Montgomery Square button in Houston. Oh my gosh. This should be uploaded on Justin's birthday. Epic. This is worth checking out. I'm so glad this elevator is still original. Montgomery Square button. This is definitely going to be an upload for Justin's birthday, also known as JimLiElevator 3219. Oh my gosh. Anthony020501 has recorded this before, and I've been dying to film here, and I finally did, and it's still original. All right, listen to the motor. Here we go. Apparently the motor doesn't sound that healthy. Oh my gosh, looks like this button is, oh, look at this button right here. Look at this button. This button looks like it's, that button looks like it's coming off. I'm definitely uploading this for Justin's birthday. This is going to be a fit for Montgomery Day. I don't ever see a Montgomery Square button in Houston. This is the only one. This is the only one square button Montgomery here in Houston that's left remaining. There used to be one at Macy's at Greenspoint Mall, but that's unfortunately closed. And the Dillard's Clearance Center, which Hanny found, exactly same fixtures. There used to be the one at the JW Marriott by the Galleria. That one's got modded, so unfortunately this is the only one I found. All right, let's go back down to one end there. And we're gonna get out of here. These buttons press really loudly. This is actually my third Montgomery Square button I found this year. I've been on like a ton, like a lot before.